Guys, I wanted to show you how you can connect to Splashtop. First of all, my.splashtop.com/computers is the link that we are going. When you're logging in here for the first time, it will ask you to enter with your gateway credentials, and then it will take you to this page. Once you are on this page, then you got to choose one of the computers. So for example, I am planning on connecting to number 6. So it is not a bad idea to first click on the three dots and click on Wake Computer, and then click on Start Remote Session. If you do not want to install the Splashtop business app, that's okay. You can just simply click on from the web app in this browser. It will take a few seconds to connect you, and it will then take you right in the environment. So once you are in the environment, you will see some icons which you need for this class, which is IBM Enterprise Concepts class. And for the most part, we will be using ACS in the first half of the class. Then we will transition to RDI. But don't worry about RDI for now. The idea is to get you to ACS for now. So once the ACS opens up, and you need to check to see if you have connections. So for example, right now, let's see, let me close this. Probably somebody else connected with this and never closed the windows. So it's quite possible that somebody else might have left this computer and you would have to close it. So ACS, Access Client Solutions, that is the icon that you double click on. And once you do that, it takes a few seconds for the ACS environment to be brought up. Once it is up, then you got to check to see if the system has your server name. If it doesn't, you got to configure it. And how do you configure it? You click on, under the management, you got to click on System Configurations. Then this window shows up. Then you click on New, and then under the system name, you type deathstar.gtc.edu. And then you click OK. That puts your Death Star system name right here. And also, if you're paying attention, it is shown to you in your top left corner. This is the time that's when you can click under General on 5250 Emulator. And upon clicking on that, it lets you sign in with your username. And then you can... So once you are in the system, you're in the system, and then you can start utilizing it the way it should be utilized. So this is a short video to show you how you can access the my.splashtop.com as a gateway student. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this video is helpful.